I'm still having 4 advent calendars that I'm opening every day, and I also have some others that I opened all of them earlier on in the fall, so you can go and watch them also if you like to. But these 4, it's from Harrods, Charlotte Tilbury, Cult Beauty, and SpaceNK. Charlotte Tilbury is a 12 day, so after day 12 she is leaving us. Before we are starting, I would actually like to promote a video coming tomorrow. It's my Christmas gift video where I'm trying to find the best Christmas gift within beauty, like skincare and makeup. And I've told you about this one earlier in one of my videos, and I couldn't wait any longer because I wanted it in this video because I think it's really, really great. And it's this one from Estee Lauder. So this is going to be in that video, so you can see the unboxing. I will do swatches. I will even use the makeup on tomorrow. So and I have some other gift sets also that I would like to show you, and some Christmas limited editions. Could it be the best one from Estee Lauder? Watch the video tomorrow. And now for the unboxing. Let's start with Harrods. I have all the products for today just here because the other day I was filming 10th and the 11th to have them ready, but what I didn't know that the camera was actually off. I thought it was on, but it was off, so that was a waste of time. But anyway, here I am with day 11. So from Harrods we have Crème de la Mer, the Moisturizing Cream. This one. It's unusual to have this large one from La Mer. Usually you get these tiny things from them. But this is actually 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. So that is actually pretty good to be La Mer. Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, I like this product. This is really great. Oh, if I can get it out. There it is. So from Charlotte Tilbury, we have the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. And these are so great. I love them. So you have this kind of application, and you just open and close it and squeeze out a little bit and just push it on your skin. So that's a highlighter. And you blend it out. I like this. It's really nice. Great formula from Charlotte Tilbury. Cult Beauty, we have this from ELEMIS. It's a Pro-Collagen toning mist, replenishing and refining toner. 30 milliliters and 1 fluid ounces. This one, quite a few of you like ELEMIS. I'm not a huge fan of ELEMIS, I must say. They have so many new and great products now, so I should maybe give them a new chance. What do you think? Let's try this one. That's a really nice mist. And you get that spa feeling with that scent. And from SpaceNK we have GISOU. We also had a GISOU earlier on. But this is the honey infused lip oil strawberry sorbet. And I love the packaging. It's so beautiful. And finally I'm going to try them. I have not tried them yet, so that's interesting. So here it is. So that was actually all for today. So just remember to comment down below. What did you like? Do you have any favorites so far? Remember, you can be part of our giveaway. I have already 2 winners, and we have at least 3 more before Christmas. So just remember to comment my videos, and you are part of the giveaway. And tomorrow, as I said, we will have some exciting unboxing, and I will do swatches. I will even use the makeup and try that on tomorrow. So come back for that video. And we have also, of course, a new unboxing of the advent calendars. If you decide to buy anything, I have all the links down below. So that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.